Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create a flow out of flow builder. So what we will do is, first we will log into developer edition of Salesforce. Second thing would be to type in flow in quick find, and in process automation you will find flows. Simply click on that. It should open another page here for setting up a flow. Now here you see there are no flows set up right now, but I have to click on this new flow button. It should open a new tab. Okay, now here you can choose from screen flow or automation flow, or you can also choose from templates. Then click on create. Now in toolbox you will find you have options like elements and manager. Click on manager. Okay, then click on new resource, then choose resource name and type. Okay, so here if I choose resource, let's say formula or variable, okay, so we can choose variable. Here I can choose the API name, let's say Salesforce. Okay, then in description you can add respective description as Salesforce variable. Then data type you can choose depending on how you want. Let's say number. You can allow multiple values. Okay, then you can simply go ahead and save. Now here you see you created a variable using flow builder. So you get the idea how to create a new variable with flow builder.